Where's the rest? The money, Skylar, where is the rest?
Are Facebook ads designed to steal your money, or are they actually built to grow your business? I got a bit of flack the other day about a video I made that said that Facebook ads were set up so you would fail with them and that it would steal your money. But the more I think about it, the more I actually believe this to be true. So if you're an advertiser, what do you want in 9 times out of 10 when you're setting up your first ad? You want traffic, okay? And here is that traffic objective. You can see here, right at the top of the list, which, you know, for a newbie would encourage them to actually use this objective. It's at the top, is the traffic objective, and it is utter garbage. So have a look at this. It's good for, it annoys me that I can't move to the right without it disappearing. It just disappears when I go to the right. But anyway, you can see if you look down, it says it's good for link clicks. Who wants link clicks? Like, just people who will click my link? That's all it's good for? Brilliant. Well, that's not going to make me any money. So it's good for link clicks. Don't want that. Good for landing page views. That literally means you're going to pay Facebook to send people who will look at your website. They're not going to buy. They're going to look at it. And you're going to pay them for this? It's a horrible objective. And it's got other things here that are, you know, for 99% of people, irrelevant. Instagram profile visits. They're visiting your Instagram. So why? For what purpose? They're just looking. It says Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. What does that even mean? Those are like 3 things. It's good for what? What for Messenger? It doesn't tell you. There are other objectives here, such as leads, which is better for a keyword, which is for, I don't know why the third thing they explain here, conversions. We all want conversions, okay? Leads gets you conversions, and sales, the last objective, don't tell me why the last objective, is also good for conversions. At least that's top of their list. Conversions means the person actually takes the action that you want them to take. Traffic, you're just sending people to your website. You're just sending people to your landing page. That's all you're doing, unless you're a highly advanced advertiser. The traffic objective is really only for a tiny, tiny, tiny fraction of business owners or advertisers. It's suitable, I would say, to 0.01% of advertisers, and it's probably even a smaller fraction than that, but my maths isn't that great. So why is it suited to such a small amount of people? The reason is because the traffic objective isn't designed to actually send you people who are going to buy from you. It's designed to send people to your website. But if you think about the number of people on the internet and the number of people on Facebook at any given time, the vast majority of those people are not ready to buy from you. So if you use the traffic objective, what you're basically saying to Facebook is, please send me as many people as humanly possible to my website, to my landing page, to my offer. And Facebook isn't thinking one little bit about whether or not those people are going to generate you any sales or if they're going to become a lead. So the traffic objective in 99% of the cases is complete and utter garbage. However, there are some people, very advanced advertisers, who need and must use the traffic objective. And who are those people? So these guys, they're the guys who are spending probably millions per month on ads. Now, if you're spending a few hundred per day on ads, you can comfortably use, say, the lead objective or the sale objective. Because by using those objectives, you're saying to Facebook, send me people who are more likely to become a lead. Send me people who are most likely going to become, most likely to buy from me when you use the sales objective. Facebook knows how to find those people. If you've got a good ad, if you've got a good offer, Facebook knows how to find those people and knows how to send them to your website or landing page. But there comes a point where you're maybe spending $1 million per month or $1 million per week or $1 million per day. Depends on what market you're in. It depends on what offer you have, where those objectives, Facebook runs out of people to send to those offers. And what you basically have to do at this point, you've probably got your offer completely dialed in. You know what you're selling, you know that people want it, and you know that it's profitable. What you're basically going to say to Facebook is, now send me everybody. Send me everybody you can possibly send me, because it doesn't matter that there's going to be quite a lot of garbage mixed in. I know that 3%, 5%, 7% of that garbage traffic will still turn into sales. So that's pretty much the only time that you're ever going to want to use the traffic objective. So if you think about those memes where there's the thing that the newbie does and there's the thing that the advanced person does, the newbie picks traffic, but it doesn't work. And the advanced guy picks traffic, and it does work. But by advanced, I don't mean just that they've got the skills. I mean they're spending millions and millions and millions, probably per month, week, or day, on the advertising platform. So in your case, if you're starting out, or if you're spending, I'm going to pick this number slightly at random, but if you're spending less than $1 million per month, you probably don't want to be using the traffic objective. And if you're just starting out, focus on the sales objective, focus on the lead objective. Those objectives actually work and can help grow your business. Now, it's also important to note that an objective alone will not get you the thing that you want. So picking lead or picking sales won't automatically get you the thing you want. However, it will give you a fighting chance of succeeding. There's so many things that come into running ads that I'm not going to go into in this video, but basically, if you don't choose the correct objective, you're setting yourself up for failure. And traffic for 99.999% of people is the wrong objective and will lose you money. Facebook will just say, thank you for your money. I will send a bunch of traffic to your website, to your landing page. It will be garbage. You won't make any money. You won't get any leads. And thank you very much. And then you'll run out of money. And then that will be the end of your advertising. So don't choose it. Okay? 99 times out of 100. Don't choose it. Okay, so now it's your turn. The traffic objective. Have you ever used it? Has it ever been good for you? And when has it been good for you? And do you agree with me that it's a complete garbage objective for almost every single advertiser on the planet? Or are you one of the few human beings alive who uses the traffic objective successfully? Maybe you're a massive spender. If so, you're probably not watching this video. This video is more for people who are kind of in the starting out phase, all the way through to spending, let's say, 10 or 100,000 per month, somewhere in that sweet spot. There are exceptions, but for most of you, traffic will be garbage. But if you disagree, tell me why below. And keep tuned in, because the final part of this video is a freebie that I've got for you guys that I think is really going to help you. And if you are serious about scaling your business and you're ready to take it to the next level, or if you want to generate your first online sales, I've put together a little resource that's, I would say, timeless, that's going to help you if you're watching this video in 2024 or 2034. It's called the Codex, and you'll find it on my new website, client-cloning.com. And the Codex is designed for pretty much anybody at any stage of their business growing progress. You go along, you'll download it, it's a free resource, and it's basically got a lot of tried and tested techniques that have worked for me and my partners over decades and will work for decades to come that will help you grow your business. Check it out on client-cloning.com. I'll put the link below the video. All right, have a great day.